Oh my God, what are you doing here? Come on in. Welcome to our home. This is our entryway. So I'm so excited to show you around our new apartment. So the first thing I'm going to show you, since you are a guest in our house, is our guest bathroom. It'd be better if we turn the light on. Everything you need, we got. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. Here we have our guest room and our office. Michael, can we come in? This is where Michael does all of his work and all of his guitar. This is supposed to be my desk, but Michael actually just has two desks. One for games, one for work, and I use the living room couch. Michael here is the one that picked out all of the furniture in our apartment, and I did nothing but put up pictures and plans. So thank you, Michael, for being part of this journey. We got this masterpiece from Mr. Ryan Sirocco, the most talented artist of our generation. This is my second closet. Now, you may not want to see inside because it looks like the inside of my brain. And what I mean by that, all right, enough of that. As we make our way into the living room, you'll notice we love games. So what we really tried to do with this living room was make it a little bit of me and a little bit of Michael. So as we can see, I got to hang up all my paintings and I got to decorate the coffee table with all my flowers and all my cute, girly, colorful stuff. But he also got to add his touch too. Something really neat I love about this glass tabletop is that you're able to see all of the fun stuff that I put underneath. So if we come up here, we can actually look down into the flowers, but also we can make sure that we're keeping our coffee table neat and ready for any cups, coffee, or books that we shall be reading in here. From this view, we can see our TV as well as Michael's Xbox, and Michael made this little corner over here. I think it looks amazing. He did a great job with absolutely all the furniture. I am obsessed with everything. And we have our little bar cart as well as our place for our records and our record player. This is our dining room, and as you can see in here, I am working on a puzzle. It's an 1,000-piece puzzle that I've been putting together for the past 2 days, and I've come pretty far on it, so I'm really proud. So come over here and I'll show you a little bit closer up. Something else I'm doing right now is growing my own lettuce, and as you can see, it's already sprouted a little bit, so I'm really excited about that because we are surrounded by wood, so it's beautiful and we get a lot of privacy. Michael is so smart, and one of the things he did in the kitchen, which I love, is he put these automatic lights on. So when I start to walk closer, you'll see all the lights starting to turn on in the kitchen. On the fridge, you'll be able to see all my magnets because whenever I travel to a new country, I purchase a new magnet. Oh, can't go any further down because that's my Dear Daring content strategy that I keep to inspire me throughout the week. I call this the corner of yellow. It's where I put all of our yellow stuff because we have no wine bottles. One thing that's really great is that we hired a maid and a personal chef for our apartment, and her name is Darian, and she does all of the cooking in here as well as all of the laundry in one place for easy access. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna make our way to the bed. Oh, before the bedroom, let's take a look at the balcony. Michael's parents got us these wonderful chairs, as well as all the wonderful furniture in our apartment, so I'm so gracious for them. And I decided to decorate it with some little moss duckies and some plants. And then we have solar panel or solar powered lights that go on our little balcony, and here's our view. Let's make our way into the bathroom. As we can see here, something I've grown really fond of is Michael's Toto. It is a wonderful bidet for the bum. In our hallway into the bedroom is where you will find our most beautiful closet. We step inside our closet. We have Darian's side, we have Michael's side, and then we have my jewelry and some hats that me and Michael share together. If you know me, you know one of my favorite things to do is reading, and so that's why I keep my books right next to my bed so I can be really close to them and grab one whenever I need a new book to read. I always look at the clock at 11:11. I almost forgot to show you the closet of random stuff that doesn't fit anywhere else. Nail polish, hair dyes, band-aids, medicine, pillows. Let's get out of there. You can see this little devil alarm clock right here that I just want to because it shakes the entire bed to wake him up in the morning because alarm clocks are not his thing. This room also features a Darian original, as you can see right here up on the wall. This is a wonderful full body mirror. I come in here and take pictures all the time, use it for vlogging. Follow Dear Darian on Instagram for more content. And that's all to see here, so thank you so much for joining us on our new apartment tour, and have a great day. Like, follow, subscribe, send to your friends, follow Dear Darian on Instagram for more content.